Hello everyone, I am Bhargavi. I would like to introduce our project titled FIN-R1, a large language model for financial reasoning through reinforcement learning. This work was carried out under the guidance of Kirti ma'am and I am representing our group G627. Our project in short, FIN-R1 is a compact 7 billion parameters. It's specially designed for financial reasoning. It unlike general purpose models. This is a one of optimized for logical step-by-step thinking in financial context. It trained using two models, supervised fine-tuning and reinforcement learning. Supervised fine-tuning or the foundational learning and the reinforcement learning or the reasoning ability. This makes FIN-R1 both domain focused and reasoning. Now in this slide, we are understanding the base paper. We have three components. Key idea. It improves reasoning ability in financial tax using supervised fine tuning and reinforcement learning. And the problem solved is that it overcomes generic shallow responses in financial models. It focuses on reasoning, domain accuracy, and generalization. In financial queries are often complex. For example, should I invest in stock certain risk condition? A generic answer like ACT, it's good to invest is not useful. What we need to respond explanations such as S because based on earnings, growth out debit ratio and positive industry trends, the stock shows strong fundamentals. The base paper highlights that reasoning ability is the missing piece in many existing models. Now we discuss about our project problem definition and scope. Our problem definition is the financial LLMs are lack strong reasoning for investment risk assignments and planning. They provide surface level answers which can be risky in decision heavy domains like investment, compliance and editing. Now we imagine a compliance officer relying on shallow answers. It could result in regulatory penalties or financial losses. That's why this problem is highly relevant. Relevances are inaccurate reasoning, poor financial decisions. Now we discuss scope of our project. We have the in scope and out scope. In scope is data processing, data processing, fine tuning, and benchmarkings are included. And out of the scope are the real-time deployment and external APIs or integrations are excluded. Our proposed solution and architecture is the our proposed solution extended FIN-R1 with financial focused supervised fine tuning and fine tuning and the model is the trained three major stages supervised fine tuning where we give it accurate financial data sets and the reinforcement learning where it learns to choose better reasoning reasoning steps through reward evaluation and speed loop where the performance is measured and improved iteratively and the outcome is the reasoning enhanced chatbots in financial queries. It is used by financial analysts and compelling the officers fintech teams. Our architecture flow is the architecture flow shows the FIN-R1 built using key training stages, supervised fine tuning, and reinforcement learning. The first raw financial data is collected and pre-processed into the dataset which clearly reasoning steps. The model is then fine-tuned on the dataset lens financial languages and basic reasoning patterns. After that, reinforcement learning is applied to improve the model's ability to reason step by step and make better decisions. The financial model produces transparent, interpretable financial answers, outperforming general language models. This designs balance large scale data and refined trained to solve complex decision making problems effectively. In this slide, we are closing our project. The FIN-R1 uses automates financial questions and answers, supports regulator tasks. It improves risk analysis and business insights. The recap of our project is our project will train the FIN-R1 model using financial data reinforcement learning and our project conclusion is the FIN-R1 makes financial decision making smarter and more transparent and more reliable. And by next milestone, we show real world testing and border deployment. Thank you.